My name is Michael Zanazzi. I work at Swezey Fuel company. I'm the treasurer there, part owner, and recently managed the delivery department.
Is it your first BTC or?
This is my third, actually. I went in 2011 and 2017.
So what would you say to someone on the fence about going to the BTC?
I would say definitely go. First of all, it's in Disney World, so you can't beat that. And second of all, it's a great event, and I'm sure you would pick up a lot of good tips and information that might be helpful to your company. I know I always take a lot of notes and come back with a lot of good ideas, so seeing the different updates and what we should be doing that we haven't been doing, all of the new features, why we should upgrade, go to the latest version of the software. You just realize a lot of things that you could have been doing that you haven't been doing that would make things more efficient and make your lives easier. So there's that, and then also the new different products that ads offers that maybe we're not using, that maybe we've looked at in the past, but it's good to look at again and see what's changed in the past few years, and maybe take another look at it and see if it's the right fit. It's a great conference, and I always enjoy going.